Most people would look at this Porsche and say it's beyond saving. But today, we're going to bring this machine back to life. Welcome to Obsidian Garage. Every vehicle deserves a complete inspection. The mud may hide scratches or contaminants. Every detail matters. The goal is to restore perfection. This first rinse removes loose contaminants. Skipping this step could drag dirt across the paint, and create scratches. Patience creates perfection. This foam isn't just satisfying to watch. It softens dirt, encapsulates contaminants, and prepares the surface for a safe contact wash. The wheels usually carry the heaviest contamination. Brake dust, road tar, iron particles. Every inch deserves attention. A proper hand wash isn't about speed. It's about technique. Every panel receives the same level of care.
This is where the transformation truly begins. Years of imperfections disappear, revealing the finish hidden beneath.
Ceramic coating protects the paint, enhances the gloss, and keeps this Porsche looking incredible for years. Just hours ago, this Porsche looked forgotten. Now, every reflection, this is what professional detailing is all about. If you enjoyed this transformation, subscribe to Obsidian Garage, because every week we rescue another incredible machine and prove that no vehicle is beyond saving. We'll see you in the next transformation.